Hello, guys. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing well and, of course, studying properly. So, yes, this is Pragya this side, and we are preparing for the upcoming exam, Union Bank of India for local bank officer. Okay. So, yes, we will be covering the banking and financial awareness question, and that also is going to be in the form of MCQs, that is multiple choice questions. And friends, this is our 13th class in a row, and if you are interested to prepare in a proficient manner for this upcoming exam, that is Union Bank Local Bank Officer for 2024, then of course you can join into the crash course of ours. Yes, Knowledgist is preparing and Knowledgist is there for you all to offer our new complete crash course. In this, you would be getting live classes, recorded sessions, mock test, 5,000 plus banking MCQs that are immensely important one-on-one expert session, and of course we will be 24/7 by your side. Okay, all these subjects would be covered into the syllabus within. So yes, if you are interested, you can check out the description box. The link for this particular crash course is being given there, and you can go through that link so as to join into our course. So yes, now let us come to very first question. As I have told you earlier, what are these questions going to be? These are going to be based upon the banking and financial awareness portion, right? So, very first question of the day today, it is asking, which bank's license was recently cancelled by Reserve Bank of India due to inadequate capital? So question is simply straightly asking us out the name of that bank, that please sir, please ma'am, tell me the name of that bank which underwent the license cancellation process by RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India. And what was the reason? Reason was its inadequate capital. So we are currently having five options. Is it Abhyuday Cooperative Bank, which is in Mumbai, Maharashtra? City Cooperative Bank, obviously Mumbai, Maharashtra. Option 3, that is Jan Small Finance Bank, which is based in Bangalore, Karnataka. Option 4, Federal Bank, that is in Aluva, Kerala. Or option 5, Ananda Cooperative Bank, which is based in Bangalore, Karnataka. So what should be the correct option this time? Should it be option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Question is simple, question is straight, yet an important one. Why? The reason it is asking about a important change, a sort of important decision, which is the license cancellation of a particular bank. So this time, my friends, the correct answer would be option 2. That is City Cooperative Bank, which is Mumbai, Maharashtra based. So yes, what has been done recently by RBI, Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the license of City Cooperative Bank Limited, which is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Reason is lacking of adequate capital and earning prospects. And apart from it, second reason is this bank also got failed to comply with the requirements of the Banking Regulation Act, which was in 1949. Okay. Apart from it, this City Cooperative Bank, it has been prohibited from conducting the business of banking, and this whole took into effect from June 19, 2024. Apart from it, friends, one another thing is there, that this whole cancellation process includes the acceptance of deposits and repayment of deposits. So yes, from the very first para, we came to know the name of that particular bank which got cancelled. Okay. Apart from it, where is it? It is being placed in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Reason is the lacking of adequate capital and also earning prospects. This bank also got failed to comply with the requirements of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. And basically, what are the prohibitions which City Cooperative Bank is going to be going through from June 19, 2024? So there was no further conductance of the business of banking, which came into effect from June 19, 2024. Clear? So yes, when we talk about the liquidation process, then on liquidation, every depositor will be eligible to receive deposit insurance claim amount of his or deposits up to rupees 5 lakh. And it is only from DICGC. What is it? It is the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation. And if we talk further, then we would come to know that about 87% of the depositors are eligible to collect their whole deposit amount from DICGC. So this was all about the liquidation process, how the further rolling of liquidation process was supposed to be going on. Clear? Next question is asking us out the name of a fintech company. Which fintech company has recently collaborated with Invest India to promote digital financial inclusion across ODOP? What is it? It is one district, one product, producers and sellers. Clear? So question is simply asking the name of that fintech company that did collaborate with whom? With Invest India. So as to promote the digital financial inclusion across one district, one product, producers and sellers. So is it, pardon, is it Limit? Is it Phone Pay, Voice, Paytm, or option 5? That is Bharat Pay. So now I'm giving you 5 seconds. Go through it, think about it. Question is simply talking about the ODOP producers and sellers. Now, the next 5 seconds are all yours. Have it. Go through the question, the options. I'll be waiting. Okay? Take your time. Okay, great. So this time, the correct answer is option 5. That is Bharat Pay. See friends, here is a term which is ODOP. That is one district, one product, producers and sellers. So what is this basically? This ODOP, it is a program in India and it aims to promote a product from each district in the country. Clear? From its name also it is showing that a single product is going to be come under this list from each district in whole country. And basic goal of this program, this ODOP program's goal is to encourage balanced regional development and the socio-economic growth across the country. So that's all about this ODOP program. And apart from it, this ODOP program also helped many handicrafts workers in Uttar Pradesh to find their employment and boost the state's economy. So this is kind of an example. If someone is going to ask you, where do you find this or where do you see this ODOP program to be working properly? So yes, you would be saying that ODOP program has helped many handicrafts workers basically in UP, that is Uttar Pradesh. And from this program, they got able to find employment and boost the state's economy. So yes, this time the name of that particular fintech company, it is option 5, that is Bharat Pay. So if we talk about 20th June 2024, then we would come to know that Bharat Pay, which is a leading fintech company in India, it announced that it has collaborated with Invest India. Reason is to promote digital financial inclusion and this digital financial literacy across one district, one product, producers and sellers. And of course, across all the ODOP districts in India. See, what will it do? This will improve access to the digital payment mediums among all the ODOP merchants in Tier 3 and Tier 4 cities, and also in the rural areas of India. Apart from it, this partnership is structured around a robust and customized information, education, and communication programs. And friends, this IEC, that is Information, Education, and Communication Program, it was completely designed to enable all the ODOP stakeholders to accept digital payments by providing them with Bharat Pay Quick Response, which we in short we call it as QR. So Bharat Pay QR was being provided to all the ODOP stakeholders to use, and of course point of sale, that is the POS devices, were also provided to all the ODOP stakeholders so as they would get able to be hand in hand with the current technology, with current scenario. Clear? So now coming up with next question, which is asking, name the company that has recently launched India's first exchange traded fund, that is ETF, dedicated to the automotive and EV markets. So this time, what is going to be the correct answer? Should it be SBI Mutual Fund, Bajaj Finserv Asset Management Limited, Aditya Birla Sun Life Asset Management, Mirai Asset Investment Managers, which is India's private limited, and of course, should it be option 5, that is Axis Mutual Fund. So question is simply asking the name of that company. What has it done? It has launched India's very first ETF, which is dedicated to the automotive and EV markets. What should it be, dear? Have your time, have 5 seconds, think about it. What should be the correct answer this time? Should it be option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Anyone? Okay, great. Yes, so this time you are correct. The correct option is option 4. That is Mirai Asset Investment Managers Private Limited. See, this Mirai Asset Investment Managers Private Limited, what has it done? We all came to know from question. It has launched India's very first exchange traded fund, which is named Mirai Asset Nifty EV and New Age Automotive ETF. And it is completely dedicated to New Age Automotive and the electric vehicle markets. It is an open-ended scheme which is going to replicate or track the Nifty electric vehicle and new age automotive total return index. This new scheme is aiming to offer investors long-term capital appreciation by investing in leading companies within the dynamic automotive sector and its value chain. So yes, if someone is going to ask you what is the basic aim of this scheme, so yes, it is aiming to offer investors a long-term capital appreciation, and the way is by investing in leading companies within the dynamic automotive sector, as this is whole completely going to be surrounding the automotive and the electric vehicle sector only. And this new fund offer, that is NFO of the scheme, will be open for subscription from 24 June, which means it was being opened from 24th of June till 5th of July 2024. And this scheme was all supposed to reopen for continuous sale and repurchase on 11th of July 2024. Clear? Now, coming up with next question, which is asking, according to the 2024 World Investment Report, Investment Facilitation and Digital Government, published by Dash, India's foreign direct investment inflow was USD 28 billion in 2023. Question is asking, if we go through the 2024's World Investment Report, which is of name Investment Facilitation and Digital Government, and from this report, we would come to know that India's FDI inflow was USD 28 billion in 2023, right? So, what is the name of that particular organization which published this particular report? Is it Morgan Stanley, National Institute of Public Finance and Policy, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, CRISIL, or option 5? That is World Bank. What should it be? Should it be option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Anyone? Okay, have 5 seconds. Think about it. They are simply asking the name of that particular organization which did publish this report. What report is it is? It is 2024 World Investment Report. What should it be, dear? Is anyone having any idea? Okay, one friend of mine is saying it should be option 2. Okay. So yes, this time, my friend, it is option 3, which is the correct one. That is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. So if we go through this UNCTAD, that is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, its 2024 World Investment Report, which is of name Investment Facilitation and Digital Government, then we would come to know that India's foreign direct investment, that is FDI inflows, fell by 43% in 2023. They were previously USD 49 billion in 2022 and came to just USD 28 billion in 2023. Apart from this, what we would come to know that throughout this, India's rank among FDI recipients drops to 15 in 2023. Previously, it was much higher. That is, India was on 8th rank in 2022 year. So yes, it was like a very deep fall if we talk about this transition from 2022 to the year 2023. India's rank for FDI outflows improved to 20th in 2023 from 23rd in 2024, which means if we talk about the FDI inflows, then India's rank got lowered, which means in this we can see negative impact. While if we talk about FDI outflows, then yeah, India underwent kind of improvement because previously in 2022 it was on 23rd position, but now it is on 20th position. So yes, global FDI decreased marginally by 2% to USD 1.3 trillion in 2023, with a sharper decline of over 10%, and in global foreign investments for the second consecutive year as well. Clear? Now, coming up with next question, which is asking the report titled India's Deep Tech Dawn Forging Ahead, released by Dash, stated that India is ranked sixth among the top nine deep tech ecosystems globally with over 3,600 deep tech startups. Question is asking, and this is an important question, friends. It is asking, if we go through the report, which is of name India's Deep Tech Dawn Forging Ahead, then this report told us the information. It stated that India has ranked sixth among all the top nine deep tech ecosystems globally, right? And also in this era, India is having 3,600 deep tech startups. So, what is the name of that particular organization or agency which did release this report, which is of name India's Deep Tech Dawn? So, is it NITI Aayog, NASSCOM, International Energy Agency, World Bank, or ADB, that is Asian Development Bank? What should it be? Anyone? Take your time. Have 5 seconds. We are not running late. We are not in hurry. Anyone? Giving you 5 seconds now. What should it be? Okay, so yes, this time the correct answer, it is option 2, that is NISCOM Zeno. So yes, according to second edition of NISCOM Zeno's Deep Tech Startup Landscape Report Series, which is India's Deep Tech Dawn Forging Ahead, it provided us information that India ranks sixth among the top nine deep tech ecosystems globally with over 3,600 deep tech startups, which secured USD 850 million funding in 2023, which is 77% drop from 2022. And this report also explores trends in ecosystem expansion, technology focused funding, mergers and acquisitions, intellectual property, and sectoral focus. And out of these 3,600 deep tech startups, which are basically, they are talking about India only, out of these 3,600 plus deep tech startups, 480 were established in 2023, which is double the number from 2022. In this, we can note 74% of these startups, these deep tech startups, do focus on artificial intelligence solely, which is up from 62% between 2014 to 2022, which means we can see an immense increase in the number of deep tech startups which are currently focusing on AI, that is artificial intelligence only. And out of these 480 startups, which we were talking previously here in this para, over 100 are inventive deep tech firms that have developed IP or innovative solutions in new domains as well. This is damn important. Clear? Now, coming up to next question. Which bank has recently launched a new safety feature called Smart Lock on its iMobile Pay mobile banking app for users to lock and unlock a variety of banking services? Is it ICICI Bank, Karnataka Bank, Bank of Baroda, that is BOB, option 4, DBS Bank India Limited, or option 5, HDFC Bank? So they are asking the name of that bank, what has it done? It has launched a new safety feature, and this safety feature is being called as a smart lock. This was being launched on this bank's iMobile Pay mobile banking app, and it was being launched for the users. Reason is, objective is to lock and unlock a variety of banking services. So what should it be, dear? Have few seconds, think about it. What should it be? Which option is most relevant or is the optimum one, accurate one? Which is the correct one this time? Anyone? You are having ample time, okay? Utilize this out. Think about it. What should it be? Okay, great. So yes, this time the correct answer, it is option one, that is ICICI Bank, which means ICICI Bank Limited. It has launched Smart Lock. What is it? It is first of its kind safety feature on iMobile app, which is the official mobile banking app of ICICI Bank. Of course, when someone is going to launch something, then of course they are going to use it on it their own mobile app. No? So this time, what is the name of that mobile banking app for ICICI? It is iMobile app. What has been launched? New first of its kind safety feature is being launched, which is of name Smart Lock. And what does this Smart Lock do? This feature enables customers to lock, unlock multiple banking service instantly without the support of customer care executive through phone or further email procedure. And this also permits account holders to lock or unlock the entire iMobile pay. This safety feature will enable customers to lock and unlock internet banking, UPI, credit and debit cards. Apart from it, any payments which are being from UPI apps linked to the bank account. It also allows scheduled standing instructions and e-mandates to go through even when a banking service is logged by the customer. So yeah, these three paragraphs provided us the complete information, okay, the complete info regarding this new safety feature on iMobile app of ICICI Bank, that what is new and what is the additional security procedures or the levels this app is going to provide. Clear? Next question is asking, which of the following has recently hosted its third global hackathon, which is Hardlinga 2024 Innovation for Transformation in partnership with the Apex platform? Is it SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India, IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, PFRDA, Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, Reserve Bank of India, or International Financial Services Centers Authority? What is it? Question is simply asking, tell us the name of that particular authority, particular organization that has hosted its third global hackathon, okay, which is of name Harbinger 2024 Innovation for Transformation. And this has been hosted in partnership with the Apex platform. What is it? Take your time, have few seconds. What should it be? Should it be option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Anyone? Okay, so yes, this time the correct answer is option 4. That is Reserve Bank of India. So yes, friends, RBI has partnered with Epix to host its third global hackathon, which is Hardlanger 2024. And it is a full name, that is Innovation for Transformation. This whole partnership between whom? Between Reserve Bank of India and Apex platform. This is aiming to bring the brightest minds together to address challenges in the financial industry. And this Hardbringer 2024 hosted on Application Programming Interface Exchange, which is of short form or acronym manner is called Apex Platform. Registration for this did start from 7th of June and were till 19th of July only. And the two themes of this Hardbringer 2024 are zero financial frauds and second is being Divyang friendly. If we talk about the cash prizes particularly, then these includes INR 40 lakh for the winner in each problem statement category and a special prize of INR 20 lakh for the best all-women team and a stipend of INR 5 lakh per team shortlisted for solution development for beating the cost of development of these for the prototypes, which they were basically working upon so as to take part. Yeah. Now, next question is asking, in June 2024, S&P Global Ratings, in its report titled Economic Outlook Asia Pacific Quarter 3 2024, projected India's gross domestic product growth at this much percent for the financial year 2024-25. So is it 7%, 6.8%, 6.5%, option 4, that is 8%, or option 5, 7.5%. Question is simply asking, If we talk about June month of 2024, then what have been done? S&P Global Ratings in its report titled Economic Outlook Asia Pacific Quarter 3 2024, they projected that India's GDP growth was at this much percent for financial year 25. How much it is? Should it be option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Anyone? Anyone is having any idea? So this time, friends, it is option 2, which is the correct one. That is 6.8%. So on this 24th June 2024, Standard and Poor's Global Ratings, they released its economic outlook, Asia Pacific for the quarter 3 2024. It has retained India's GDP at 6.8% for FY25 and cited high interest rates and lower fiscal boost are the main factors which would temper the demand in the non-agricultural sectors. See, this also noted down that the agency also noted that India's economic growth continues to surprise on the upside as it revised India's GDP up to 8.2% for the full FY24. Apart from it, friends, while this S&P Global Ratings has raised its projection for India's GDP from 6.1%, which was projected in March 2024, and they have come up to 6.9% for FY26, and also raised India's GDP for FY27 from 6.2% to 7%. Clear? Next question is asking, which insurance company has recently integrated with IRCTC? What is IRCTC? It is Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. Reason is to enable embedded group personal accident policies to be offered alongside e-ticket purchases through the Insilliance API platform. Question is asking the name of that insurance company which has integrated with IRCTC so as to enable group personal accident policies which are to be offered alongside these e-ticket purchases through Insilliance API platform. So, is it ICICI Lombard, General Insurance Company, SBI Life, Royal Sundaram, General Insurance Company, option 4, that is HDFC Life, or option 5, Bandhan Life? What is the correct option? Should it be option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Anyone? Okay, take your time, friends. Have 5 seconds. What should it be? This is an important question. What should be the name of that particular insurance company? Yes, very good. It is option 3. That is Royal Sundaram General Insurance Company. So yes, Insigniam, which is a New York, United States of America, that is USA based, leading InsurTech software as a service, that is SaaS platform. What has it done? It has partnered with Royal Sundaram General Insurance Cooperative Limited and IRCTC. Reason is to revolutionize the travel insurance delivery. And Insigniam also enables RSGI to integrate with the IRCTC to offer this embedded group personal accident insurance policy alongside e-ticket purchases via this Insilliance application programming interface, which is API platform. See, RSGI partnered with Insilliance to rapidly launch an embedded insurance offering using these platform and cloud architecture as well. So friends, now that's all for today's session. We will be meeting tomorrow with further questions, same time, same person, same place. Till then, take care of your mental and physical health. Signing off, Pragya this side. Thank you, everyone.